Hello. So chances are, if you're watching this, you have got your hot little hands on January's mystery box. I'm going to do an unboxing and show you everything that is inside this month. And I have to say, I know I say this every time, but seriously, this is my favorite one. The patterns inside are amazing. The vinyl inside the matches is amazing. There's so much you can do with these. So let's get into these. So we've got the heat transfer box. We have the adhesive box. And then, of course, we have the combo box. This is both heat transfer and adhesive combined. This fun sticker on the front is giving you a really good idea of the fun that is inside. So let's get started with the HTV box. I'm going to open it and show you guys all of the goodness that is inside. Oh, isn't that so pretty? Okay, let's go through all these. First up, you have your cheat sheet. This tells you everything that is inside your box so you can refer to it if you need to. So first up, we have the Easyweed Electric in Lime. The electric is a really fun, it has a really fun finish. It's shiny, kind of iridescent. It's a fun way to add a pop of color and a pop of shine without using full-on glitter. So that one is so fun. Next up, we have the pattern heat transfer in colorful coral stripes. And I want to undo this so you guys can see the full stripe. Isn't that awesome? So cute. And with our heat transfer, remember, you cut these all the exact same way. Flip your image, cut it on the back, flip it over, apply it to your shirt, and then peel off that clear carrier sheet. Same goes for our pattern. Okay, next up we have the glitter in Jade. This is a 9x12. The other two are 12x12s. So some glitter in your life. And I love this turquoise color. It's so pretty. Okay, then next up, oh, this is what this whole box was based on. This Floral Leopard. And I've got to undo this and show you guys it in all its glory. I seriously flipped when I saw this. How amazing is that? So I'm not like super animal print lover, but this with the floral, and let's be honest, leopard is everything. So pretty. I love it. Okay, and last but not least, this Easyweed in coral. And that is also a 12x12 sheet. So super fun coordinating patterns and colors and glitters. There's so much you can make with this. Okay, let's go check out the adhesive box. There is so much in this adhesive box. Okay, I'm gonna open it carefully. And they're probably gonna pop up a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Okay, but look how awesome. There is so much vinyl in this box. Solids and patterns and so much goodness. So let's get into this. I do want to give you a really good, there we go, straighten them all out. Really good picture of what is in there. And there's some hiding inside the rolls. There's more vinyl inside. So we've got our cheat sheet. I'm going to go down that. If you guys need cut settings, application settings, go to our website, expressionsvinyl.com, click on machine settings, and you'll get all the information that you need. So first up is Opal in pink. This is all adhesive that I'm showing you right now. This Opal is a permanent adhesive. And I want to undo it because there's something hiding inside. So here we have the full sheet of Opal in pink. And then inside the Opal is your paper transfer tape. So it's important that you find that inside that Opal. If you're like, where's my transfer tape? Inside your pink Opal. Okay, next up is the pattern in the coral stripe, just like that heat transfer, but this is adhesive. Also a permanent adhesive. Next up, we have glitter in glimmering gold. Oh, look at that shine. I love it. And then we have Easy PSB, which is Caesar's adhesive. This is also a permanent. And then inside that tropical pink is etched vinyl. So this is kind of an iridescent vinyl. It's made to look like it's etched. So if you put this on glass, it'll look like it's etched. And this color is red. It's actually kind of a pinkish color, but it's called red in the etched. And then we have Oracal 651 in turquoise. And inside that turquoise is mint. So two 12 by 12 sheets of Oracal 651, one in turquoise, one in mint. And then we have the queen. I am so in love with this. It never gets old. So Floral Leopard. There she is in all her glory. I just love it. This is also a permanent adhesive. And then we have glitter in coral as well. So you get glitter in gold and in coral. Look at that shimmer. Lots of fun stuff in this one. There's so much. So don't forget to look inside your rolls. There might be some vinyl hiding inside of those. So that is what is in the adhesive box. Okay, now if you got the combo box, you got all of that stuff in this big fat box. So let me find my knife and open this guy and show you. I hate to cut that cute sticker, but let me show you what is inside this. Again, we've got our cheat sheet, and this also indicates what's inside. So like I said, there's a couple of rolls that have stuff inside, and it's 2 layers deep, full of adhesive, full of heat transfer. Oh, it's amazing. So we're going to have lots of projects to show you guys if you need some inspiration on what to do with these. And we would love to see what you guys have made with these. So congratulations on getting the January box. If you guys have any questions, let us know. And stay tuned around here and we will show you some awesome inspiration. Thank you guys so much for purchasing this box. These are so fun to do and I love seeing what you guys do with them. So thank you.